Hi, I'm Matt Capelle from Bruno Independent Living Aids, and today we're going to talk about how stair lifts are installed.
Mr. Stairlift.
It's a common misperception that stair lifts are attached to the wall, when in reality they're attached to the stair tread themselves. And it's easy to think why they'd be attached to the wall, especially with the Bruno unit, as the Bruno unit has such a narrow rail. It's a 2.5-inch wide rail that mounts closer than any other stair lift in the industry against the wall and takes up the least amount of space. So it's easy to believe that it might be attached to the wall, when in reality it's attached to the stair treads themselves. And it's attached with clamps, and the factory trained technicians are instructed to use as few clamps as possible, but to still give you a safe, stable ride and installation. And they just screw down into the stair tread with 4 small little screws, and no modification at all is usually necessary to your home at all.
Doom, 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 doom.